Good day mga karelo. So today we have a watch review here. Tag Professional 200 meters. So this watch is for lady watch. So as you can see here. So as you notice here, they have a Tag lettering here. One is from the case, the tag, and then the viewer is on the bezel itself. This watch is a white dial. So as you notice, some professional tag viewer professional, the R hand is look like a Rolex hand watch, although they have some similarity on the physical, but of course Rolex is Rolex, but almost same on the design. Luminescence hand, an R hand, minute hand, and of course the second hand they have a loom. Of course the R marking is a loom, as you can see here. So let's see, this is a stainless steel bracelet here. You can notice the buckle. They have a double lock buckle here, as you can see here. So 1, 2, so very secure. Of course, this is a diverse watch, so maybe what I mean water resistance of 200 meters. So your watch is safe because when you swim, no worry, your watch is lost on the water because you have a double lock security, as you can see here. I can demonstrate to you. One, of course, this lock is very good. You can hard to remove it, but of course, for security reason, they have a double lock here. This one is good, and then also they have another security, so you cannot remove easily. No worry, even you swim, because they have a double lock here. So let's see if they have a diverse extension. As you can see here, they have. So this watch is good because even you can swim, or you can wear a diving suit. You can wear it. You can wear it because they have you have an additional length for your bracelet, as you can see here. Let's see if they have a logo of Tag Heuer on the bracelet. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, I can turn it for readable. Tag Heuer, all stainless steel. So as I said before, this the bracelet is a stainless steel, of course. Let's see the back case information. Sapphire crystal, water resistant, 200 meters, tested. Stainless steel, Swiss made. Of course, they have a Tag Heuer logo here, as you can see. Swiss since 1860. So the Tag Heuer, very long watch manufacturer. This watch is the part number is WF 1412-0. So if you more detailed information, you can search this part number on the Google, WF1412. As you can see here, sapphire crystal, very, very beautiful watch, stainless steel bezel. So of course, this is a Tag Heuer watch, and then they have a Tag Heuer logo on the crown. Let's see if it's a screw down lock crown. Yes, this watch is a screw down lock crown. Okay, I released from the lock. First turn, we can see from the clockwise position. As you notice, the date was changed when I turned the crown in the clockwise position. Let's check all the date for review. Okay, very beautiful. As you notice. Well, when I turn the date, what I mean the crown, it's exactly when I turn it. So very quick change the date. So this one is when change the date, first pull for changing the date, and then from the time, second pull. Okay, as you notice, the second hand here was stopped, and then let's check. Okay, we adjust the time. Very smooth. By the way, guys, this is a battery operated watch. So let's see if what exactly time when changing the date. So currently we are 11:30, so going. So let's check. 11:50, 51, 52. As you see, they have slightly moved. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay, 12, 12, exactly 12, exactly 12 in the midnight. So exactly 12 in the midnight. Of course, this watch is very good because exactly 12. Some encounter watch, the changing of the date was 11:55, and some Japan watch sometimes 11:55 or 12:05. So this watch is very good because exactly 12. The date was changed, as you notice when I change what I mean when I'm turning and set the time. So as you can see here, let's take a look at the watch. So let's check the mechanism. Okay, I turn it to locking position the crown. Let's check the mechanism of this watch. I can open it for you. So let's check it. Okay, I can demonstrate to you. I have a watch opener here. We can adjust. Of course, let's see here. Okay, We can adjust. Okay. I can show you the mechanism of this watch tag viewer. Okay, let's focus. So we can focus the camera here. As you notice, wait, okay, as you notice, they have a tag viewer on the mechanism of this watch. The battery is a 364 Renata. Of course, this is a Swiss-made battery watch. As I said before, this is a battery operated. So that's it. I hope you enjoy for this video. Okay. If you have a one of this watch, so this is your chance to, if you want to change the battery, of course you have an idea what kind of battery you can buy soon. If you have a DIY, you can change your own watch battery. Of course you need this to open it, and then you can save money just buy for the battery. Okay, I hope you like this watch review for this watch. So guys, please like and subscribe for our channel. So for more watch review, for coming watch. So please subscribe for our channel for more watch review. Thank you guys. Bye bye.